All right, so how you guys doing today? All right, so I'm going to quickly respond to just, I think just two questions that I got, right? So the first one is, can you make money with E1ULife without recruiting at all, right? And the answer is yes. I've responded to that question in the past, okay? So the answer is yes. You can make money with E1ULife even if you did not recruit anybody, okay? So so all you needed to do is to get started with, I think, just $25, and you are going to be put in a matrix. That's how it works. So the E1ULife system operates with a cycling matrix. So you only what do you call it now? You only get started with $25 one time, no monthly fees, and you'll be put in a matrix, and then the system automatically puts people under you, right? So once those people fall on what is called your pay line, you will be earning commissions. Now, listen carefully. Now, if you are not promoting, right, even though you can still earn commission, it's not guaranteed when you are going to get the commission or how long it's going to take, right? So for those that are promoting, then that one is guaranteed, right? Because once they make a sale, immediately they make commission. But for you that is not promoting, you have to wait for the system to put people under you. And I cannot tell you whether that will take you weeks or months or what. I don't know about that. So I highly recommend that you do your best to promote. Promoting is simple, right? All we do is we just make posts on Facebook, okay? And then attract people to our link. That's all we're doing. So I highly recommend that you promote, because it's when you promote, you make money faster, right? If you don't promote, you are now going to be waiting on the goodwill of those that are promoting, and also hoping that the computer or the system is just going to put people under you, right? So that's not a good marketing strategy. But yes, you can earn money without recruiting, without selling, without doing any of that. Just pay your $25, get put in the matrix, and then wait for the system to put people under you. That's just that, all right? So that's the first question. Yes, you can earn money with this system without doing any form of recruiting or selling at all. Now, the second question I get from some people is they are having challenges getting the Bitcoin, right? You see, with E1ULife, you can only be paid by Bitcoin. So you have to have a Bitcoin wallet. Okay. Now, some people were saying they could not buy Bitcoin, but that is not true. The problem is they have refused to make inquiries the right way. I've explained a lot that all you needed to do is to register with a Bitcoin platform. Okay. You have Coinbase, PayPal. Not PayPal. Sorry about that. Not PayPal. You have Coinbase, you have Binance. Yes, those two. And then you have Cash App. So there are opportunities. And then in different countries all over the world, there are cryptocurrency platforms for different countries, right? So you saying that you could not buy Bitcoin is all you need to do. Make a local inquiry in your locality. You are going to find people that are already into cryptocurrency. They will tell you how to get a cryptocurrency wallet and how to buy cryptocurrency in your local currency, right? That's why I love this business, because it's worldwide. It doesn't matter which country you are in, whether you are in Canada, USA, Europe, Africa, Asia. It doesn't matter. As long as you have access to Bitcoin, you are in business, all right? So it doesn't matter the country. So, so just make a local inquiry in your country. That's all I'm going to tell you. And they will show you how to get a Bitcoin wallet. They will tell you how to buy the Bitcoin, how to, it's so simple. They will even tell you how to turn the Bitcoin into your local currency. It's all over, right? The internet. So stop. People are not just being innovative. I don't want to say innovative, because it's not. It doesn't have anything to do with innovation, right? They are not just able to find quick solutions, and that is not good. So please make local inquiry if you are, because it's simple, right? I've explained it like a million times. It's very, very simple to get a Bitcoin wallet. It's very simple, but some people are always, it takes them a long time to understand things, right? Once you go on Google and you just search for Coinbase and you register for free, or you sign for Binance and you register for free, right? Or you ask people in your country, you ask people in your country that you want to buy Bitcoin. And there's always somebody that knows how to get that done in every country, right? The Bitcoin is worldwide. So, yeah. So that's the game, right? So you can easily get started today and start making good amount of money with the system. So now let's talk a little bit about what is E1ULife, right? Now E1ULife is a software company. That's what it is, right? So they sell softwares like website builders, funnel builders, AI automation softwares, and many more, right? Now, for us to make money with E1ULife, we just promote their products. And how do we do that, right? We become an affiliate of E1ULife. And how much does that cost you? Just $25. That's all. And look, now, once a sale is made, whether by you or through your matrix, like I told you, you can make money without even recruiting anybody. So whether you are the one that made the sale or the sale was made through your matrix, okay, you will be paid by Bitcoin. So you can see where the problem is, right? If you don't have a Bitcoin wallet, how do you get your commission? And the commission is paid instantly, right? It's not like you have to wait for a week. It's paid immediately. Once that sale comes through, you are paid immediately. So that's why you have to have your Bitcoin wallet. If you have already joined E1ULife, maybe through my link there, and you have not put in your receiving Bitcoin wallet address, just go to your profile, right? So once you sign into your account, go to your profile and you will see where to put your Bitcoin receiving wallet address, okay, so that you don't miss out on the commission. You don't want to miss out, especially if your cycle is going on and you have already made sales. You could just lose all those money to your upline, because it's an immediate commission. It's not kept for anywhere. So immediately a sale is made, the commission goes straight to you, right? So you want to make sure you have your Bitcoin, receiving Bitcoin wallet address. It's very, very important, so that you don't lose commissions to your upline, right? Very, very important. So make sure you have your Bitcoin wallet address, put in fast. So it's so easy, right? All right, guys. If you have more questions concerning E1ULife, okay, just leave it in the comment section. I will respond to you personally, and also I will use that to make a live video like this and talk to others. So like the two questions I responded to today. One, you can make money with this system without doing any recruiting, without selling. All right. So the answer is yes. Okay. Now, the second question was buying Bitcoin or in your local currency. Like I said, the best thing that I know is for you to go online, sign up by Coinbase or Binance or what Cash App, depending on the country you are in. But every country has people that trade and use Bitcoin platform. So in every country, once you make the right inquiry, you will be able to buy, sell, send whatever Bitcoin you want. So everybody in the world can have access to this system. So it's amazing. So that's it, guys. So if you want to get started with E1ULife right now and get placed in the matrix immediately, just go to my profile. Just go to my profile. There's a link there, or there's a link above here, or even below. Get started right now, right now. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.